This is next level. This bike can't be built by the faint of heart, and it can't be ridden by the faint of heart. It's just not that kind of bike. I can honestly say this bike is probably one of the most challenging frame-up custom builds that we've ever done. It really is. It was nothing. It started out as nothing. This is a 100% custom bike. 100% custom bike. Built for a really cool guy. We started out with a Paco twin cam FXR frame for a 180 rear tire, and we just rolled from there. There's nothing on this bike that literally has not been touched, modified, fabricated. This fender right here started out about 3/4 of an inch wider, and it had to be narrowed and then welded back together and then smoothed out, and then the Frenched in license plate frame. And not to mention the completely one-off handmade brackets for the gorgeous back end that is a set of clamshell bags, custom one-off fabricated brackets. We've got a set of Renegade custom wheels. We did a 49mm mid-glide front end, right? Like it was on like 06 to 17 dynos and some of the newer M8 Softails. But we used a set of custom hog halters triple trees, and this was the first set of through triple trees that he ever made, and he did that so that we could use Legend Axo suspension. And then we went to the Dominator set of style of fork legs with radial brake calipers are going on it. Dual disc, of course. A Yaffe custom front fender. We had to custom mount it because the fender isn't for the mid-glide Dominator leg type of setup. It's got a Clockworks FXR-P style fairing that's been completely customized. One of a kind speedometer mount right here to use this Dakota digital MLX style of speedometer, tachometer information center. It's going to have everything in it. And while a lot of custom bikes are stripped down with bare bones minimum, this one is going to have all the things. It's just going to have all the stuff. It's going to have an S&S fire breathing 143 cubic inch twin cam engine. We've got a matching twin cam transmission, but we put a Baker OD6 cassette in it. BDL belt drive, but I couldn't just throw 4 controls on it, so we fabricated and made mounts for mid controls. We're going to be able to have all the shifting and everything. I machined this hole with a brass insert put for the belt drive. Obviously it's going to have an outer belt guard, and so you're going to have this like incredible seated riding position on it. We've modified the swing arm with a Fabricator Kevin upgrade kit for the axle adjuster. But see, this thing is actually going to be fuel injected, right? It's going to have a Thundermax ECM. It's going to have fly-by-wire, so the handlebars are going to have a twist grip sensor in them, like the newer bikes out there. It just has all this one-off unique technology, but go fast, custom racing stuff to it. This fender did not come with the Frenched in license plate. Dan did this one and kind of modified it to our liking to where it sits in a perfect spot. It's going to have thunderbolts all the way around. I'm not completely sold on the handlebars that we have on it yet. They're not really singing to me. I think I'm going to end up making a set of handlebars for it, which that's just the way it goes sometimes. But all the electronics that have to be in this thing, that have to be hidden, we did Clockworks trifecta, pivot shaft brackets here. And again, everything on this bike is built for going fast, making sure it's strong, over-engineering it, making sure that it's not going to break. If 5/16 is good, then 3/8 is better. With a 143 cubic inch bike, twin cam with the right exhaust and right tune, this thing's going to scream. But with the Legend shocks in the rear, the arcs, the Axo, and everything being set up correctly, it's going to be able to handle it. Next level stuff when it comes to custom bikes, especially custom bikes that are in a FXR frame. I'm excited. I know Doc's excited. It's just going to be cool, man. It's just going to be, this is going to be like our I don't know, our fifth symphony. Symphony? Fifth symphony? Fifth symphony. It's going to be probably one of our greatest builds that we've ever done. Like and subscribe if you know what's good for you.